Using WebFocus Designer, you can create a single content item, either a chart or a report, or you can create a page that contains multiple items. There are two different kinds of pages. These pages are similar in appearance and general functionality, but provide a slightly different set of options, particularly when it comes to filtering behavior. To create a single content item, click Visualize Data on the WebFocus homepage. When Designer opens, select an available data source, then select a content type and start adding fields to your content to build it. You can enhance your content with filters, various styling options, and more. You can get even more out of a single content item by making it part of a page. One type of page that you can create is called an authored page. You can create an authored page by converting a single content item into a page, or adding a second visualization to it. All of the content items in these pages are created directly in the page canvas. Since you can dynamically build the page as you develop your content, authored pages are a great way to engage in the data discovery process. Drag a field into an empty area of the page to create a new chart or report. Authored pages provide easy-to-use, out-of-the-box filtering options. You can use on-canvas filtering to quickly create filters based on visual elements in a chart, at design time as you build the page, or at runtime as you analyze it. You can easily create filter prompts by adding fields to the filter toolbar, providing intuitive filter controls at runtime. To style different areas of the page, change the theme that it uses, and set the style used in different page components. You can also apply custom CSS for more customized styling, or use custom JavaScript to enhance the behavior of the page. Since all content in an authored page is created directly within it, external content items, including images and URLs, cannot be added. You can add these other content items, as well as existing charts and reports that you have saved as standalone items, to the other kind of page, known as an assembled page. To create an assembled page, click the plus menu on the WebFocus homepage, and then click Assemble Visualizations. To add content to an assembled page, navigate to items saved in your repository and drag them into the page. They are immediately added to a container. Pages assembled from existing content provide more customized filtering options than pages that you create with new content. When you add a chart or report that includes dynamic parameter filters to the page, you are prompted to create filter controls for those parameters. Once the filter is added, you can change the filter control type, set default values, and more. Some other options, only available on assembled pages, include the ability to add a link tile, which allows you to click through from one item to another external item or resource, and the ability to move filter controls from the default filter toolbar into a grid container elsewhere on the page. Depending on whether you prefer to have the ability to dynamically create new content on a page, or additional filtering and customization options, you can choose the type of page that best suits your needs. If you turn a single content item into an authored page and then decide that you want to add it to an assembled page, right-click the item in the outline and click Save as Standalone.
To learn more, visit the WebFocus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.